Mercury have proven once again why they stay on top of the worldwide outboard engine market with the release of their latest range of four-stroke engines. We at Trader Boat, we're honoured to be invited to be the #1 testers for the new range in Australia, and we found some great results. There's 5 new engines in the range: 75, 80, 90, 100 and 115 horsepower, and with some surprising additions. These new models flow from the success of the higher capacity, yet lower weight 150 horsepower that's been wowing us all for some time. They're all based on the all-new 2.1 litre inline 4-cylinder, 8-valve, single overhead cam powerhouse. The 115 horsepower is the lightest in its class, and the rest provide exceptional power to weight without wringing the guts out of small capacity blocks. Mercury say, unthink everything you know about four-strokes. These engines are unlike any other mid-range four-stroke the world has ever known. There's nothing like a big black engine on the transom of any boat, and the new shape and style just looks sensational. The fully redesigned range takes a new look at virtually every component, from the acoustics and aesthetics, advances in technology and engineering, compact design, fuel, weight, gauges, instrumentation, and all sealed with the leading Mercury corrosion protection and paint processes. There's more to acoustics than meet the eye, or ear as the case may be. Our acoustic testing found the entire range to be exceptionally quiet, whether from the helm or from the rear lounge. But dBA levels can be quite misleading. The new sound absorbing design entails more than just acoustic lining and a beautifully sealed cowling. Mercury have redesigned the engine and component mounting, airflows and exhaust process to reduce the noise from its origins. The new offerings are all whisper quiet at idle and trolling revs, but when they get up and boogie they produce an exceptionally pleasing note. We found no harmonic hotspots, even though we tested a range of 5 pressed aluminium boats. It's all very well to produce ultimate performance, but it's how it's transferred that's vital. Mercury have completely redesigned their standard 2.0 7-to-1 gear case with an advanced hydrodynamic profile. It reduces drag and increases performance. The new gear case is said to have 15% less drag than their previous offerings, which were already race-tuned over many years. Mercury have long been producing the 60 horsepower Bigfoot, and it's been an absolute favourite. Mercury have advanced the idea even further by offering an optional, larger, command thrust 2.38-to-1 gear case to its 90 and 115 horsepower models, and we found the results amazing. The figures don't tell the tale of the chalk and cheese performance we found with 2 identical hulls fitted with both options. The command thrust gear case will be very popular when powering heavier hulls, and it's also available with counter rotation. However, we just love the extra bite and manoeuvrability even when fitted to 2 identical Quintrex 530 cruiseabout bow riders. We can only describe the difference in performance to be outstanding. There's technological improvements, many of which flow on from the innovative 150 horsepower, offering such a low friction valve train for the 2-valve overhead cam that needs no adjustment and is maintenance free for the life of the engine, and that dramatically reduces the long-term service costs. They feature multi-port fuel injection, EFI, and extremely high torque curves, especially when compared to previous models. The new 90 horsepower is quoted to produce 16% more torque, and the 115 horsepower 23% more than their previous respective models. Just like their 2 straight predecessors, these new offerings just keep on driving from takeoff to top end. Add this to a quoted increase of up to 14% better fuel economy and you're on a winner. The new engines have already been subject to huge testing procedures before they let us at them, including over 8,500 hours in their indoor testing and 5,000 hours of boat performance testing before their release. We all love the positive drive as you throw down the throttles on the new Mercury 4-strokes.
I gotta love the look of black outboards as well. There's just something about Mercury, got that DNA and got the longevity and got the history. Mercury outboards, going ahead in the future with four-stroke technology.